All right, so I'm going to do a quick demo of the new batch transform feature we've added to context grounding. So I've added this index, and inside of this index, I've added this one file, which is just a list of every single country on Earth. And what we're going to do is essentially ask it to do a web search, and for each country, find the largest company by revenue, record the company's name, a short description, and if there's no revenue data, then just choose whatever you think will be the largest company. So I'm gonna go ahead and kick this off, and we will see what happens. Great, so it seems like it just finished. And if I go and check the files here, I can go ahead and download that. And there we go. So now we have the company name and a company description for every single country, even ones that have no companies. And if we go and check United States, which is here, Walmart. So if we go and check largest company USA, Walmart is the largest company. Great, so it's working. Thank you very much.